Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to improve the sound quality on this device. Simply open your settings, tap on the option sounds and vibration. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option sound quality and effect. Tap on this one, tap on allow. Then here you need to enable these options. You need to enable Dolby Atmos. If you tap on this one, here you can see experience breakthrough audio for media playback that flow above the and around you. You can select auto, movie, music, voice. If you select auto, you can see optimize sound automatically for whatever you are listening to. If you select movie, then it will deliver the best possible audio for film, shows and videos. If you select music, make all your music sound richer, fuller and more balanced. If you select voice, make voice loud and clear. Okay. So Samsung provides sound effect to enhance music and video audio. So simply in this way, we can improve the sound quality on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.